Hi everyone, another unboxing video today for the Casio F-91WM-9ADF. So this will be the gold model. So you can see the model number there. So we just go quickly, and this is the warranty certificate, as you can have every time you unbox a watch. And this will be the manual. So everything that you want to know about the settings of your watch will be in the manual. So let's go back to the watch itself. All right, it is similar to the other F-91 models, but this one is actually the gold model. Let's take off the tag first. This is an activity that I really dislike. It's very difficult to take it off. So here we are, the model number and the module number. Right, let's just put that there. Alright, so this is why I like the gold model. It is really outstanding. I mean, it's really different from the other F-91 model. The specification of this watch is similar with the other F-91 models. And the thing that is actually beautiful about this watch is the LCD, which is gold in color, matching the case itself. Look at that, it's gold. The case itself is actually made of resin coated with gold, and this is the familiar case back, which is stainless steel. So this is normal strap. Size is from the lug is 18mm and going down to 15mm at the end. So this is a comparison with the green model, the 3A model, which is actually similar, only the difference is the color. And this is the silver one, which is the 7A model, the similar watch, different color. And this is the F-91 8A model, which is much more expensive than the rest of the F-91. This one costs about 17 USD, while the rest is about 11 USD. And this is how it looks on my wrist, which is a tiny wrist, 6.5 inches. So this is the F-91 models that I have collected so far. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.